guys, today's video I'm just laughing, guys. I'm just laughing. Today's video, you guys know the last video I posted, not last, but I don't know. Yes, the last video I posted apparently about Jenny's Glow, the Nigerian brand cosmetic that has been selling to the clients fake creams. Okay, the thing is that let me be merciful. Let me be merciful. She has not totally be selling fake cream, right? Let's say she has like 40 products, but 10 out of the 40 has NAFDAC. And not even that, let me not say NAFDAC is the reason why you should certify a cream good, okay? Because you can have that NAFDAC and still be giving us rubbish. So this girl, apparently, for those who didn't watch my previous video, this Jenny's Glow is a very popular Nigerian cosmetic brand. Okay, she sells cream, scrub, blah 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 blah. Apparently, I feel she is not even using what she's selling to us, because if customers are complaining in that nature, how come you the producer is not complaining? So it means that what you're using is different from what you're giving the audience. And also the influencers you're using to influence your cream, it means also they are not using your cream. They are just collecting the money and keeping it in their pocket. Or apparently you're giving them a different cream that is very different from the ones you're giving to the audience, those you feel that cannot do anything. But the one you're using and the one you're giving to your influencers and the one you're giving to the celebrities, they're basically different. Just like what I heard, that in China, when China is producing for Nigeria, is lower quality. When they're producing the same for Americans or Europeans, is higher quality. Because trust me, whether we like it or not, China is the world producing company, and the US, Europe, everybody, they still go to that China to produce in a large quantity because they have sufficient manpower, right? So I feel it's the same thing that is happening in this case. She has special creams that she's using for herself and her influencers and her celebrities, the same Jenny's Glow, and the same Jenny's Glow has another ones that she is producing for the audience that she doesn't want to care about. So the saga of this thing started with the girl that came online and showed what her skin used to be and what her skin is now looking like. No, she was crying and calling out to Jenny's Glow, and this Jenny's Glow lady went to go and call police on this girl and maltreated her, and the social media went berserk. So this guy, apparently, which they are calling Dark Man, took up the case since after then and said you cannot be intimidating people because you have money. Please guys, watch the previous video I posted. I am landing with the new story, and this is the last gist I'm bringing up these people. Trust me, this is the last gist. So apparently, the Jenny's Glow that has been running her mouth helter skelter, which is in my previous video about her. Go and watch it. That video has stuff, so go and watch it. Which has been running her mouth helter skelter. Maybe she has listened finally to her in-laws, who has advised her, girl, you are at fault. NAFDAC has gone to your Lagos shop. They have locked it down because most of your creams don't have NAFDAC. You are losing business. You're going to pay tons of millions to NAFDAC. You are still losing. Stop making trouble and make peace. So she came on social media and she apologized to everybody. This Jenny's Glow, she has ego. I've seen most of her posts. I've seen what she has been talking. It's not what she has been talking. The impetus she had to go and arrest a customer that complained that your cream spoils her body. Instead of you to bring the customer and do a polite interrogation, you went to arrest. That is number one example of somebody who has ego. Okay, but her ego has fallen. She finally came to apologize. Watch the video.
I'm not here to try and defend myself. I'm just here to say I'm sorry for everyone. To everyone I've offended, I'm sorry, guys. I'm really, really sorry. This brand does not bully. You are entitled to your reviews, your comments. Okay? I was not aware. In fact, for the past over a week, I will never be a party to bully. I don't like Wahala. I feel bad about everything going on. I saw the whole mess, the whole post, people saying, or even people that have used it or not, they are saying, I'm taking accountability today. I'm not here to justify anything. I agree. You said the product is bad, it's not good, it's okay. I'm here to take accountability. I'm going to work on my brand. I'm going to rebrand. We'll go back and fix everything. Trust me, we are coming back stronger. We are coming back with better products. For we will never bully. Me personally, I don't have the mind to bully. Who I be? I don't be anybody. I'm still coming up. I'm still a young girl trying to grow. I'm still growing. I'm still learning. And I'm happy everything is happening this way. Okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. We're going to do better. I promise to rebrand. I promise to do better. Every complaint we've seen, both the truth and everything, and the bad, all the complaints they said, I accept. I agree. We'll work on it. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And God bless.
So apparently, after her apology, which you have just watched now, the dark black man didn't rest there. He still went, took some of the Jenny's Glows products, which I'm sure maybe he sent someone to buy. This man, I think people are sponsoring him as well, because the man I'm seeing in that one room, managing himself, paying 350,000 in that one room that has kitchen, everything together, cannot waste his 20,000 naira to go and buy Jenny's Glows products. So maybe somebody must have bought and given to him, because the product is sealed. Okay, this is new product, and she took all these products to a lab in Lagos to do some testing. This guy wants to know what Jenny's Glows, as in, he wants to run this girl down. Apparently, people are saying that this guy is wicked. Why some other people on the notion that this brand needs to learn a lesson, and he's one person that will bring out himself to teach them a lesson, and this is the man. They should stop abusing the man. Okay, so just watch the video and we'll come back to it again.
So this is a government certified lab, right? This is a certified lab. This is a government certified lab. It's a government certified lab. The moment everything that is in this thing, you understand, see the Jenny's Glows, it is sealed, very sealed, and the one that they open.
Is he there?
No, so yeah, it's there. So this is another lab. All right, so I tell you now how many hours I drive. You get, I don't take away my singlet, man. So boom, once I am sure what is here.
Don't mention the name of the lab first.
No, I don't know. I won't say the name of the lab. I'll just I won't say anything about the name of the lab.
Are you online?
Yeah, I'm actually, but I'll end it. Should I end it like? Let me end it, sir. Yes. Just okay. All right. Peace and love. Later. Give me a minute.
So after you have finished watching this video, it didn't end there. This guy went in depth to call on popular Nigerian actress Nkechi Blessing, which we all know. He went and called out the guy that she's using another product, some other product that she is influencing, that he is very sure that does not have NAFDAC and is not quality in the market. Trying to speak to influencers to stop influencing creams does not have NAFDAC number and that have not qualified for people's skin, because skin is health, right? It's not only what we eat, also skin is health. So Nkechi went berserk and came online to fight. Watch the video.
Anybody waste time, I mean, I tag him to this video. Nkechi go sit down with ring light with you. Nkechi go sit down with ring light with you. If you follow me, try that rubbish. When you follow Jenny's Glows, try when she call the beg. They run out and skelter. Are you stupid? Very black man, are you mad? Just because of that, I decided to calm down. I don't want to do drama again. You see about that? Very black man, are you a crazy person? You know who you follow talk? Can you imagine this video? Hey, Chineke me. Number one, I am not even Dorinda's ambassador, so make that one clear. That one should be very clear. Now this idiot, this when they call very dark black man, they post my video for him. Say, what's up? Are you stupid? You mad? They don't follow you talk about it. They don't tell you say my name Nkechi before you start. Very black man, are you stupid? You know me before. Every product from Dorinda has NAFDAC registered number. Can you see that? Who did this one? Very dark man, who the f are you? I remember I give me scarf, make us cover my hair. Can you imagine? Bless say this ring light too much. I'm on normal light. Let me on normal light for house lights. stupid. We know you the follow talk. Very dark black man, you the crazy. God will punish you. I use all the product I use from Dorinda. That's NAFDAC number. See, I'm here. This is the NAFDAC number. NAFDAC A2_101742. Are you stupid? You don't use me to compare that this girl when no one leave you. God will punish you, very dark black man. You the anybody don't come meet you, say Dorinda skincare products, give them any issue for their body. So why you posting my video on your page? I wanted to ignore you, but no, I cannot even ignore you. Because why are you posting my video on your page? For what? You just want to spoil that lady, I don't give a fuck if a product spoils people's skin. You go and deal with her until you have a complaint from anything I promote on Instagram. Why is it posting my video? I am making a live video with no fucking filter, no fucking ring lights. Leper don't even there, no lights. You will no girls. That rat hole where they stay, you didn't get they talk about me. See you make anybody tell me I'm one more. You get you different from Jenny's Glow. You get you that mad woman. They burn me inside madness. If you've come for me, I'll call for you times 1 million. I can only apologize to my baby. Say, baby, wait, give me this 24 hours to run mad. Give me this 24 hours to run mad. Come here, I don't follow you talk. I go find you Courage Abuja for that rat hole where they stay. Don't post my fucking video on your fucking page. Do not try it. Don't try them.
So now, after Nkechi has finished fighting and sending everybody to warn that she's a mad woman, whatever she wants to, I don't know for her, claiming that whatever she's, I don't know, in fact, rumbling, Dark Man came again and posted another video trying to tell us that he does not even have time for Nkechi Blessing. I don't know why Nkechi Blessing thinks that he's a kind of man. How come on Nathan than making noise with him?
And start making fake. But a lot of these manufacturers don't know that even after number, they can still checkmate you. Do you understand? Secondly, like I said, I know they bother myself, they go to Nkechi Blessing. Do you understand? I know they bother myself, they go to Nkechi, basically her name, the skincare lady. Now, for Nkechi Blessing, Jesus Christ. It already cost me so I don't get money. Never I can't still carry lights. Which kind of rubbish is this? Guys, I have Jen. I have money. Hey God, I don't catch. Nepa. Why? All you had to do was to save my shame. And I know get fuel. Hey. They've got the light. About that. Back to what I was saying. Nkechi Blessing, I don't know why she feel like I am somebody that will start making noise with her. Blah 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 blah. And
forget, in as much as this guy looks this way he looks, yes, of course he does not have money, but he's very intelligent. If you see the way he talks, he's very articulated. He arranges his sentences very well. He does his findings very well. You know, he's actually intelligent. But of course, na crayfish make na what is it? How did they talk him again? Na fish and the neck make crayfish bend. I've been waiting make crayfish bend. So guys, that is basically it. Trust me, this is the last time I'm bringing Jenny's Glow gist on this channel. Hope you have subscribed. Hope you have liked this video. Hope you have learned 1 or 2 lessons from this video. Give us a product, give us a beautiful brand. Make sure it has NAFDAC number. I don't know, but if it doesn't have NAFDAC number, or whatever the case may be, because the brand is new or because it's expensive, because you can afford NAFDAC, I don't know, but shall give us what will be good on our skin. Don't come and be spoiling our skin for us. Our skin that we're wanting it to look pink, you don't come and be adding to the damaging of the skin. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Do have a wonderful day.